and Merkle. Data blocks means that data blocks is a part of the blockchain concept, and Merkle tree also part of blockchain concept. So these are used in the physical layer, and also already know that in physical layer provide the specific information by the use of IoT devices. Second is a P2P point-to-point network and ubiquitous broadband for authentication and verification in the communication layer. Communication layer has a functionality already know that communication capability and transport capability, and this function provided by the authentication verification by the use of point-to-point network. Okay. Next is link control layer. Link control layer is a concept of by the blockchain, decentralization and distribution. Decentralization and distributions provided by the consensus algorithm like that proof of work POF and POA for decentralization and distribution in the link control layer. Next layer is a service layer, and service layer is a concept of the distributed cloud storage. Distributed cloud storage like use a smart contract as a blockchain and a micro server and intelligent storage like any type of blockchain storage areas in the distributed cloud storage. And the next is a management layer. Management layer as a blockchain concept is used a digital identity. A digital identity provided by the hash function. Hash function like a mathematical puzzle. Mathematical puzzle solved by the minor node or scripting code. Scripting code also used in the smart contract. Okay. And next, the application layer. Application layer, the function as a blockchain is the analytic intelligence. Analytic intelligence provided by the M2M learning, and it is used in the application layer. Okay, this is the concept of the blockchain technology for IoT applications. Okay. Next is a this is a simple graph. This is a like a internet graph. Already know that this is IBM Press concept. This is a blockchain market headed to $16 billion worldwide by the 2024 in the blockchain. This is the graph provided by this. Okay, then this is continuously increased in the blockchain concept. Okay, so after some time, all applications use the blockchain concept. So this is my first part. Have any questions in first part? Have you any questions in first part?
If anyone of you having question regarding first part, then kindly ask. You can ask by sending a message to the organizer.
Nobody questions?
No question.
No. Okay. So let's start the second part. Okay. Second part is the advanced recent issues. Advanced recent issues is already discussed in the first slide. In this part, we cover the IoT security issues and cloud security issues, and then mitigate these issues by the use of any architecture and provide the some smart city architecture. Okay. So this is the IoT security issues. Lot of security issues like first is a physical security issue because that major of IoT devices, especially in industry, use function is unsupervised areas. So this is a main security issue in the physical security. Second is the energy harvesting. Lot of sensors devices have limited battery capacity. So now our time, because that mobiles and laptops and many IoT devices have a simple battery, and battery has some limited capacity. So this is also a issue for the IoT. Next is the authentication. Limited energy and computational power are resulting in weak authentication protocol. So because that blockchain concept used in for the IoT is mainly for the authentication, security, and privacy purpose. Okay, next is the encryption. Like weak crypto systems due to the resource limitations of IoT devices. So because that We convert one message to the another, like plain text to the cipher text. We convert it, but this is hacking by the any malicious node. So this is also problem in the IoT. Okay. Uh, next security issues is the access control. Easily access IoT data easily accesses, because that this is a main limitation, like that weak passwords set by the manufacturer are left unchanged after the installation. Okay. Next, weak programming. This is also issues. Device firmware developers release software with known vulnerabilities. Okay, because that this is also IoT security issues. So for these IoT security issues, provide us some solutions. Because the first solution is that first solution, biometric based device physical authentication. This is provided in the IoT devices and transferred to the task to nearby the nodes. So according biometric based device physical authentication, we resolve these issues. Second is a lightweight security mechanism. Lightweight security mechanism is that provides the artificial intelligence. Already know that artificial intelligence is also a crucial technology, and in artificial intelligence provides the one algorithm. This is known as SVM algorithm, a support vector machine algorithm. This is provided by the lightweight security mechanism, and it is used in the some IoT applications. Next is the access control using biometric based key generation. According biometric based key generation in place of password, because password is easily hacked. So biometric based key generation are used, and so provide resolve some issues regarding IoT. Okay, this is the main IoT security issues. Second is cloud security issues. Cloud security issues, these are the lot of cloud security issues. First is malicious service delivery, like uh, PaaS, SaaS. This is a cloud. Already know that this all part is affected by the malicious service, because if any malicious node easily access the data in the cloud, because cloud is a my central part, and cloud have a lot, only one data center, only one data center. So any malicious node easily hack to the this data center. And second is insecure interface and API, which is also a security issue for the cloud. Next is malicious insider, because any malicious node easily inside enter. According to this malicious insider security issues, these also all services, cloud services is affected. Next is shared technology issues. Interfere one user service to other user service by compromising hypervisor. So according to this also security issues. So resolve cloud security issues and IoT security issues. We provide these are the architecture, but this is a general architecture. This is not a fully architecture. This is general architecture. General architecture means that already knows that every IoT applications has mainly four types of layer. Like device layer means the physical layer. Second is edge layer. Third is fog layer, and finally is cloud layer. Okay, cloud layer as an application layer. So all layer use some blockchain concepts like this. In device layer, use we provide four device, and every device has a distributed connection. Provide the peer-to-peer blockchain network. Okay, this is a device layer. Similarly, edge layer use a base station, and every base station has a distributed network and blockchain-based distributed edge network. According this, according this edge layer provide the blockchain concept, and third layer is fog layer, and all fog nodes use a distributed network and blockchain-based distributed fog network. And the final is a cloud layer. In cloud layer, use one data center has a distributed connection, distributed network. This is known as blockchain-enabled decentralized cloud, because this is a one specific cloud. Okay, so this is a general architecture. Okay, this is not a core architecture. This is general architecture. Second is a Blockchain-based secure architecture for smart city. This is provide the some specific application, smart city application like the IoT application. In this application, we divide the not a edge layer. Edge layer is combined in the physical layer because that this all is a base station. Base station provides the some specific and had a base station, and these all are IoT devices. And all IoT devices provide some specific data, and this data is stored in the base station, and all data communicate to the fog node, and fog node in specific. This fog node is specific use a blockchain concept. Only fog layer is use a blockchain concept, did not use a physical layer, did not use a cloud layer blockchain concept, because this diagram uses two type of technology. First technology is blockchain, second technology is SDN, and third is a deep learning, because this architecture has a three types of applications like blockchain, SDN, and deep learning technology. And these three technologies used in the architecture, and all technology provides us some specific part like blockchain. Blockchain used in the fog layer and provide the specific for the security purpose. SDN is specific for used for the providing the specific network, and deep learning is used for the utilization, more production, more utilization for use the deep learning concept. This architecture provides the main purpose of the self-management, self-configuration, self-distribution, self-decision support. These are four parts. These are four applications. Okay, and these applications provide gained by the deep learning concept. Okay, and this blockchain concept used in the mainly fog layer. Okay, and third architecture also provided this. This is also use a physical layer and fog layer and cloud layer, and also provide the blockchain concept. Blockchain concept used in the fog layer as a smart contract, and last layer use a deep learning concept. Deep learning previous architecture also use a deep learning concept. Deep learning used for the increasing the production, increasing the data analysis used for the for this architecture. Okay, and this layer is a smart contract. A smart contract used as a blockchain, because that in this fog layer like a smart contract had a three parts. First part is contract registration, contract access control, contract management. These three parts. You know, contract registration is a like a hub part, because the contract registration, this is the first step, because when sending the information from one place to another place, so we use a firstly contract, and this is contract manager. Contract manager role is very important, because contract manager just check that and verify that this node is okay, this node is not okay. This is the main concept for the contract manager. So in this portion, you some chain also provided. This is the first Genesis block. Genesis block already knows that first block is of the blockchain is known as Genesis block. Next is block 2, block 3, block 4. This is used. This is whole architecture provided by the blockchain and deep learning concept. Okay, and this is used for the smart city. Okay, and this is the main concept for the blockchain concept. Already knows that, already discussed by like that. This is a sender and this is a receiver. If sender send to the information to the receiver, and sender add the block to the blockchain. So firstly, this sender send to the any and transition in the network, and this network has a lot of minor nodes, lot of local node and normal node. So every minor node just solve the puzzle, and first minor node solve the puzzle. So give the and say that I'm solved this puzzle. So all minor nodes, more than 50% minor nodes verify that this puzzle is okay. So if all miners say that this is okay, so add the block and information hand to the receiver. This is the basic concept of the blockchain. So already knows that every block has a 2 pointer address. on block address and previous block address. According this provides a security in every type of application. In blockchain technology, distributed peer-to-peer networks are used for the transaction data, and for completing the transaction in the blockchain, solve the complex puzzle. Complex puzzle is a hash value, provides a hash value. It is known as a hash value. Okay, and every miner verifies the transaction. When complete the verification, then add one block in the blockchain. This is the main concept for the blockchain, and by the use of this blockchain concept, mitigate the issues regarding the IoT and cloud. Okay, this is a large table, and in this table provide this is the possible solutions by the use of blockchain, and this is the provide the challenges like security challenges, security and privacy, storage and capacity, energy and efficiency. This is all is challenges, and this is a solution, and this is all example of the blockchain concept. Okay, and according like example, Bitcoin, NG, Bitcoin Gold. These are the possible solutions. This is a part of blockchain, and this mitigate the security privacy issues, storage capacity issues, energy efficiency issues. This all type of provide the chart. Okay, and after that we provide some example for that. According to the table, we are showing the various challenges in IoT and cloud, such as scalability, enhancement, storage capacity, processing and power, low accuracy, data flow. This is all type of challenges. So to resolve these challenges, we providing a lot of blockchain technology applications. Okay, first like that in novel cryptocurrency schemes, the old transaction records are forgot using the blockchain network and resolve scalability, enhancement, accuracy, and speed. Storage optimization issues in the IoT. Next is Bitcoin and already discussed are used in smart contracts for blockchain network and mitigate the energy efficiency, security and privacy, processing power, communication latency challenges in the IoT and cloud. Okay. Next, Hyperledger Fabric and OpenLedger. This is lot of type of blockchain solutions for use in the IoT and cloud. Okay. This is also decentralization and distributed DB, mini block, Rockchain, Solidity and Chain Code, Algorand, Ethereum. This is also all is a blockchain solutions, and this solution mitigate the issues regarding the IoT application, IoT and cloud applications. Okay, this is a second part. So, any questions? Have any questions?
Sir, this side I have a questions.
Yeah.
Sir, which type of security method provided by the blockchain technology? Just like we have been using in web application section and cookies, which type of security have provided blockchain?
Which type of method?
Security method, sir.
Security methods might like the smart contract also used for the blockchain in the IoT application. The smart contract.
Okay, sir. Any fixed method is provided by blockchain technology? Any fixed?
According to practical knowledge, a lot of parameters are used in the like Solidity, NIST, Remix, MetaMask. This all the used in the blockchain concept for the IoT application. Okay. Rockchain concept and Solidity concept, this all is used for the, but it takes a lot. Like Rockchain provides the new way acting the data and privacy on Ethereum blockchain. Rockchain used in the Ethereum blockchain. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I have a question.
Yeah.
What happens when blockchain gets too big? Because when you are talking about the cloud, so in a cloud we have a lot of data. So you can see that in a society there's 1,000 or maybe the 20,000 families, and then if we save the all records in a one blockchain server or in a different blockchain server on a cloud, so how is it impacting our process or not? Or if it is impacting our process, so how we will how we will resolve it.
According to your questions, so you check my architecture, all architecture. I use blockchain concept is used in the fog layer. I did not use a blockchain concept in the cloud layer because that in cloud layer blockchain are used is very typical because that in cloud layer use the deep learning concept are used, but for cloud it distribute in the different types of fog layer, fog node, and in fog node use the concept of blockchain. But I did not use a blockchain concept in the cloud layer because cloud layer is a very large part. Okay, and this large part divide in the fog layer because the lot of communication latency are there. So in cloud layer did not use a blockchain because I did not use it. I don't know about this, but I did not use a blockchain concept in the cloud layer. But I use a deep learning concept using the cloud layer. Okay.
So Ethereum is, I think, so Ethereum is the concept behind this. So because in the Ethereum, so we are converting the each block information in the blockchain. So Ethereum always have a hash, means a hash key. So if we are talking about the Ethereum in the cloud, so Ethereum is a process which is flowing in the cloud or not?
Yeah, Ethereum we can use in the cloud, but because cloud has some limitations now, so alone Ethereum it did not use in the cloud. Ethereum with something, so used in the cloud. Ethereum is something like the deep learning and any other concept used combined used in the cloud, not alone. Okay, used in the cloud, but not alone. The Ethereum used something. Okay, like any algorithm, like artificial intelligence or machine learning algorithm with used in the cloud.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Done.
I think yes, sir.
Okay. So third part is application services. So already I discussed the blockchain concept used in the lot of advanced IoT applications like blockchain application services because that blockchain technology has various application and service, various application services like that: smart healthcare, smart transportation, smart farming, smart energy, smart power grid, supply chain, smart manufacturing. Lot of applications are used by the use of the blockchain concept. Okay, so these are the application services, and like first example that smart healthcare. So by the use of blockchain in the smart healthcare, solving the interoperability in the healthcare, securing supply chain in the healthcare, giving the patient control of their data, and GDPR and HIPP compliances, smart contract and automation, and accelerating the R&D. These are the part of the smart healthcare. So this is not a small part because smart healthcare is a large application, but provides us some specific framework by the use of blockchain concept because blockchain is mainly used for the security and privacy purpose. Okay. Next is the like smart transportation. So this diagram provide the like this is a vehicle, and this vehicle smart transportation have a lot of functions like that automatic fuel payment process. Automated fuel payment process means that use a blockchain concept. Okay, service and appointment booking and maintenance services also use a blockchain concept. This whole part use a blockchain concept. I use. Okay, smart transportation has a lot of part, and all part use a blockchain concept. Okay, next this is the smart manufacturing. Nowadays, smart manufacturing is known as Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 means that smart factory, and this is a main use in the blockchain concept. And by the use of blockchain, provide the simulation software like security and privacy, and resolve the big data problems, additive manufacturing problems, and industrial augmented virtuality reality used by the use of blockchain. This is a main concept means that blockchain are used in the smart manufacturing. This is a security and privacy with blockchain and IoT applications. Lot of part of this availability, authentication, non-repudiation, integrity, and confidentiality. This is also part of the security and privacy with the blockchain and IoT and application. So already know the availability means that 5G network based really extra benefits from the resource from the cloud layer, which help the building the cost-effective infrastructure, the IoT application. This is a whole part for the security and privacy with the blockchain and IoT applications. Okay, these are the references used in the blockchain this presentation. This is my third part, and this is my complete session. Have any query in the whole session? So just ask me.
Okay, if anyone of you have a query with Dr. Singh, so can kindly ask. I think we don't have any query.
Okay.
Okay, so we shall proceed now. Thank you so much, sir, for this informative session, especially in reference of IoT with blockchain and in cloud at Fog, how we can use blockchain in cloud computing at Fog layer. So I request to all participants to continue. We will continue our session 2 after 30 minutes.